Hi, are you an Afrobeat artist or a gospel artist in need of a professional studio where you can unleash your creativity at a very affordable price? Yes, very affordable. Look no further. Elegant Empire is the best place for you. Here we deliver top-notch music production, mixing and mastering, production classes, anything music basically at a very affordable price.
Alright, are you a musical artist? You're tired of sounding so regular? Worry no more. At Elegant Empire, we offer intensive vocal training and piano lessons. Guess what? It's pocket friendly.
Oh, are you a small business owner looking for ways to promote your brand to reach a larger audience, or you want engaging visuals for you to promote your works? Here at Elegant Empire, we got you with video productions, product photo shoots, and anything you can think of, all at an affordable price.
You guys, are you a music artist, a content creator, a skit maker, and you're looking for professional video quality? Elegant Empire is available for you. Elegant Empire will deal on professional video editing, wedding, teaser, podcasts, talk shows at affordable prices.
Are you an actor or an actress, a model or a TV presenter who is really passionate about his or her career and is looking for a team that will shape you into the best version of yourself? Elegant Empire is here for you.
And yet, that is not all. At Elegant Empire, we offer personalized music marketing and promotion, artist branding and development, and social media marketing, and every other thing we think is useful for your career, so as to propel you to that level where you want to be in your career. So, all our services are very, very affordable. Pocket friendly, you know that.
Yes, are you single and ready to settle in a committed relationship? We are happy to announce to you that we offer relationship advices and help you to meet your perfect match. Elegant Empire got you.
Yes, Elegant Empire is here to stay. We have over 10 years of experience with proven track records littered on all platforms. This is what we do actually. We take that raw talent of yours and modify it, transform it, and also give you a formidable platform for you to explore and push out your creativity and live your dreams in the industry. Whatever you want to do, is it films, is it music, is it TV presenting? Elegant Empire got you. All right. We got your back at all the time. All right. So this is Elegant Empire, and this is where quality media and entertainment dwells. See you. And don't forget to come work with us, because I and my team would always be here to welcome you. My name is Elegant Akpabio, and I am the CEO and MD of Elegant Empire. And this is my team. Woo! Woo! All right. See you guys in no time as you come and work with us.
Join us today to promote your work.
See you soon.
Please don't miss it.
Peace.